Hey folks, George Kramer, Village Blacksmith, sharing our recent completion. This is a French 6-pounder cannon carriage. We did the metalwork, and Doug Ward from Eagle Eye Repair did all the woodwork. All the wood has been completely rebuilt from the ground up. We reused some of the metalwork, but we made most of it over. There's 96 nails that need to be made. The head on these nails is 1.5 to 2 inches wide to go over the strakes. The hubs were turned with the rings burnt on. The strakes were burnt on. We also completed a flat mortar carriage, woodwork by Garrett Jones from Wood Revolution Workshop, metalwork by us. Remade most of the metalwork on here, preserved some of the stuff that was worth saving. And that mortar tube is 10 inch diameter. It weighs about 23 pounds. All right, thanks for watching, folks.